Welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are continuing next lecture. So today we will discuss about the preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. If we look at the structure, and this compound we call it as ethyl acetoacetate, or there is another common name is acetoacetic esters, or we can write IUPAC nomenclature for this. If we give numbering, ester is high priority 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a carbonyl substitution at third position. Here I can write ethyl, third position, oxo butanoate. These are the names of ethyl acetoacetate. If we look at general physical properties, ethyl acetoacetate is a colorless liquid. Which is having a boiling point of 181 degrees centigrade, and usually the distillation will take place below 181 degrees. If we take it at 181 degrees, this will undergo decomposition. Always we are going with a reduced pressure. By decreasing the pressure, we are distilling ethyl acetoacetate, and which is having a ester functionality. We can feel pleasant odor. This is the characteristic of physical properties of ethyl acetoacetate. Now we will focus on preparation method by taking Claisen condensation method. Claisen condensation. Condensation is combining of two larger molecules by eliminating a smaller molecule. We call it as condensation. It is a Claisen condensation. What is a Claisen condensation? 2 moles of alpha hydrogen containing esters undergo condensation in presence of base gives beta keto esters, and this reaction we call it as Claisen condensation. Okay, the condition of Claisen condensation, the ester should containing alpha hydrogen, then only it will give beta keto ester. So to our purpose we will take some example. I am taking 2 moles of ethyl acetate, which is having a alpha hydrogen acetate in presence of 1 equivalent of base gives ethyl acetoacetate acetate. I am representing the reaction. 2 moles of ethyl acetate in presence of one equivalent base. Here I am using sodium ethoxide, one equivalent, which gives ethyl acetoacetate. Acetate. Usually this reaction can be done in as a ethanol as a solvent. If you look at the possible mechanism of Claisen condensation, so in the ethyl state we have a acidic hydrogen, so base will abstract the proton from the ethyl state, which will form a carbon ion, that is nothing but enolate. And next step is whatever the formed enolate is there, which involves in nucleophilic acyl substitution, we will get an addition intermediate followed by elimination of leaving group, we will get ethyl acetoacetate. So I am writing a step by step mechanism here. Mechanism. The first step is formation of carbon ion or enolate. Formation of carbon ion or enolate. So 1 mole of ethyl acetate, it will react with base. Base will abstract a proton, it will form a carbon ion. I am writing 1 mole of ethyl acetate in this fashion. And base will abstract proton. In this fashion, we get a carbon ion. And this carbon ion is involved in the enolate. And we have discussed that ester enolates are less stability will be there. So the direction of the reaction usually which will be there maximum in this direction. There is a little amount to the formation of enolate ion is taking place. The second step is formation of tetrahedral intermediate. So whatever the enolate formed in the ester, which will undergo nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction with another mole of ester, which gives tetrahedral intermediate. I am writing another mole of ethyl acetate, and whatever the carbon ion formed in the first step, gives tetrahedral intermediate. The bond polarization will take place here. and which is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Once nucleophile is attacked at the carbonyl carbon and this carbon oxygen pi bond polarizes to the oxygen, you will get a negative charge on the oxygen, and the nucleophile here which is attacked at in this fashion, and we have OET. And now this carbon is a sp3 hybridized carbon. This we call it as tetrahedral carbon. That's why we have written formation of tetrahedral intermediate. After forming tetrahedral intermediate, the leaving group will leave from the system and which will form a ethyl acetoacetate. So I am erasing the first step to write the third step. The last step is formation of product, that is ethyl acetoacetate. So whatever the intermediate which is formed in the second step, tetrahedral intermediate, which is can be converted into final product. I am writing the tetrahedral intermediate here, CH3 O minus OET and here oxygen negative charge again given to the carbon, and here OET which will leave as a ethoxide, and will get acetyl acetone. This is ethyl acetoacetate. And here usually this reaction, after completion of reaction, we have to do a acid workup. The reason is, once after forming the ethyl acetoacetate, this usually will be there in the ionized form. What could be the reason is, here whatever the ethyl acetate which is formed, there is a byproduct is ethoxide, and again this sodium ethoxide which is act as a base, and we have a acidic hydrogens in the ethyl acetoacetate which will abstract and it will form their carbene ion CH3 C double bond O CH minus and COO, and their counter ion sodium will be there. So usually after completion of the reaction, this will be there in the form of sodium salts of ethyl acetoacetate. To get a unionized form, we have to add a dilute HCl after completion of the reaction. Now whatever the acid we are adding, it will nullify the whatever the excess base is present in this reaction, and we will get a unionized ethyl acetoacetate we will get after doing acid workup. So this is the preparation of ethyl acetoacetate by using Claisen condensation method and its mechanism. Thank you.